Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will paint this picture and I will use watercolor. I will try to explain my color method to you. Always you have to start from the top, and here I am painting the sky first. Always remember that the first touch should be light. Now I will give the second touch. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, so please subscribe now and don't forget to like and share this video. And here I will use some bold color to highlight this flower. And now I will paint this bird and I will use blue. Now I will start to make details on leaves and other objects in this picture. I will do some other details. So our drawing is almost ready. So here you can see our drawing. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.